Hello everyone, you're welcome once again. You are welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of joining, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You can drop a comment in the comment section. Likewise, share this video for others to benefit. So basically, we give updates on trendings. We make videos relating to how you can do well online. We have videos on crypto, we make videos on personal finance and how you can earn online as well. So if this is your first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when videos like this are posted. So we've made a video earlier on the daily combo for you to be able to claim 5 million Hamster Kombat coins. And these are the combination for today. We have partnership program, healthy nutrition hamster. Then we have the last here, which is YouTube Gold. This is the third card for today. That is YouTube Gold button. YouTube Gold button, healthy nutrition hamster, which is under the special. Then we have partnership program as well. So you can do well to claim your combo for today. Now we want to unveil our word for today, our daily cipher, to be able to claim 1 million Hamster Kombat coins. Just come over to daily cipher, and our word for today is algo. So that's ALGO. Algo, that's our word for today. To get our A is dot dash, to get our L is dot dash dot dot, to get our G is dash dash dot, and to get our O is dash dash dash. So without wasting our time, like I said, our A is dot dash, our L is dot dash dot dot, then we have our G, which is dash dash dot. That's our G. Let's continue trying it. So our A is dot dash, our L is dot dash dot dot, our G is dash dash dot. That's our G. Okay, let's give it a try without rushing now. So our A, like I said, is dot dash. Okay, we've done that already. Now our L is dot dash dot dot, our G is dash dash dot. So dash dash dot, that's our G, and our O is dash dash dash. So dash dash dash, that's our O, and that's algo. And let's select take the price, and we are good to go. So don't forget, if you are here to claim your daily combo, go ahead to claim your daily combo for 5 million coins. The third card, like I said, is YouTube Gold button. Make use of this new card for you to earn more coins. Now we have this section where we'll be unveiling the mini game, which will be added to this video. So do well to watch this video to the end for you to be able to claim the mini game for today. So we want to play the mini game for today. We want to play the mini game to be able to unlock the key right now. So just come over to this mini game, then we select play, and once we select play, we'll be able to unlock the key for today. So this is it over here. Now the first thing you have to do is to make sure you take this here. This will go up, the key can come forward, then after which this will come down, this will follow, then this goes up, the green comes, this two red comes down, the red can come over here, then we have this can come over here. Just as simple as this is, like this. And as you can see, we've been able to unlock the key. key is unlocked. So it's just the daily combo that we're yet to claim, of which I've given the cards. I said partnership program, healthy nutrition, hamster, and we have the last card being YouTube Gold. Now I'll be doing this video in a slow motion for you to be able to claim. That is the mini game, for you to be able to claim the key. So this is it over here. Thank you.